Hi trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This is a simple strategy based on our super trend and our moving averages. Now this is a very simple strategy for beginners and definitely is profitable. So how does this strategy work? Now you need to see a combination of the crossing over of our EMA and a sell signal from our buy and sell indicator. All right, we're gonna start somewhere here. Gonna give you guys, so those are the two rules. Now let's get started. So as you can see right here, we had a buyer signal and we had a crossover on our indicator right here. So we're gonna take a buy there, put a stop loss underneath that area, and you'll take profits according to how you manage trades. As you can see, that was a good trade. Let's keep going. See, we didn't really have a crossover right there. I wouldn't consider that a crossover, even though it sold quite nicely. You can see right here we had a crossover and we had a sell signal. That was a nice sell, and as you can see, we had some good profit. Let's try another one. We had a crossover right here and we had a buy right here. All right, that is how simple the strategy is. Very simple to use, definitely beginner friendly. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comment sections. I'll see you in the next video.